technology that is built for your every sense. Acer Pure from Acer.
From NH8 captured the nighttime chaos. Endless rows of vehicles stranded bumper to bumper, their headlights forming a trail that stretched into the distance. The Yamuna in Delhi has crossed the danger mark, flowing above 206.1 meters at the old railway bridge, remember, which is a key observation point for the river. Officials from the Central Flood Control Room have issued a flood warning, stating that the discharge has exceeded 3 lakh cusecs. Let me go across to my colleague Isha, who's been tracking this entire development in the national capital as well as the NCR. Isha, these are concerning times, of course, that we are seeing around the Yamuna River. Where you are, help us understand the latest situation there. I believe Yamuna River has crossed the danger mark. What is the situation there and what are the authorities saying at the moment? All right, let me try and reconnect with Isha there. Of course, we will keep getting you more details of what is happening across northern India. You can see these visuals, extremely concerning as far as the chaos that has been caused due to the rain havoc, whether it's Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, Haryana or Delhi NCR. Across northern India, you can see the kind of destruction and chaos that has unfolded due to heavy rains. All right, I have my colleague Isha back with us. She's at the Yamuna River getting us a very concerning situation update, that is Yamuna River crossing the danger mark. Isha, if you can hear me, can you help our viewers understand what the latest situation is and what the authorities are saying as far as dealing with this danger mark being crossed is concerned? All right, let's try and reconnect with Isha. Of course, she is, getting us the latest from NCR. But quickly, viewers, take a look at this report that has been sent up by my colleague Bhavna.
इस वक्त हम दिल्ली के लोहा पुल पे मौजूद हैं। वार्निंग लेवल से ऊपर इस वक्त यमुना नदी जो है वो बह रही है। अगर बात करें तो इस वक्त 205.8 है इस वक्त मीटर यमुना का जलस्तर, और इवैक्यूएशन जो लेवल होता है वो 206 होता है, यानी बहुत करीब पहुंच चुका है। इवैक्यूएशन लेवल के नजदीक है इस वक्त यमुना का जलस्तर। आप देख सकते हैं कि ये ओल्ड जो लोहा पुल है उसकी तस्वीर आप देखिए कि बस कुछ ही दूरी पर आपको नजर आ रहा होगा कि किस तरह से यमुना का जो फ्लो है वो कितनी तेजी के साथ है, और उसके साथ ही कभी भी ये जो पानी का लेवल है वो लोहा पुल टच कर सकता है, इसीलिए कभी भी लोहे पुल को पूरी तरह से बंद कराया जा सकता है। इसके साथ ही ऊपर की तस्वीर दिखाते हैं जहां से ट्रेनों की आवाजाही होती है उसको भी बंद किया जाता है। 2023 की तस्वीरें आपको याद होंगी कि किस तरह से जब यमुना में बाढ़ आई थी तो हालात।
All right, my colleague Isha is with us now. Isha, can you get us the latest of what's happening there? In fact, Isha is showing us what's happening there. Over to you, Isha.
We are currently on the boat with the rescue team. They are currently holding announcements. They are making announcements asking everybody, the people who live near the coastal areas to evacuate. But request my camera person Ashwini to show you the extent of the flooding that is taking place. Yamuna has crossed the 206 meters mark. In fact, we also have been told to wear life jackets because this is a very risky time at the Yamuna River. You can see here in the visuals as well. In fact, the Delhi government has started to hold, they are evacuating citizens. You can see here in the visuals, you can see that this is the rescue team that is holding announcements, but you can also see the extent of the flooding that is taking place at the Yamuna River. Towards the other side, this is the coast. There is the Greenland where you can see water has seeped inside there as well. In fact, at 5 p.m. the reading is standing at 206.1 meters, which is about while the danger mark reading should be under 203 meters currently. Also, you can see in the visuals, the Delhi government has now, of course, taken stock of the situation. Rekha Gupta, the Chief Minister, has stated that surveillance is being maintained, and she has also also instructed all the officials to ensure that rescue work is currently underway as well. But not just at the Yamuna River, several areas of the Delhi, of the national capital, and of course NCR as well, have been flooded, and rescue operations currently underway. In fact, even Yamuna Bazar near Majnu Ka Tira, and of course we have seen horrific visuals emerging from Gurugram as well, where we did see that completely streets have waterlogged, completely waterlogged the area. In fact, in the visuals as well, you can see that the water flow is at a dangerous level, and the Yamuna level, you can see this is dangerous. We are constantly being told to monitor the situation as well. In fact, we have also been asked to wear life jackets as well, Shreya. So yes, a very dangerous situation here at the Yamuna River. 206 meters is what the Yamuna level is at 5 p.m. and it is also expected to rise in the coming days as well, what we have been told, because the IMD has sounded an alert, and incessant rainfalls continue to lash the northern India and Delhi NCR of course as well.
All right, Isha, thanks very much. Stay safe. We will keep coming back to you for the latest from Delhi NCR as far as this entire concerning situation unfolds. Viewers, the Yamuna River crossing the danger mark. With that, it's time for a short break, viewers. News and updates will continue on the other side.